My topic is about success through smile. In line with our topic for tomorrow, I Smile, Aim Global. I encourage you to smile. Okay, before I proceed, can I see your smiles? Sabi ko, can I see your smile? Smile. Naririnig na palang smile ngayon. Can you smile to the person beside you? Okay. Show them your smile, your beautiful smile. If you're coming from the province, smile some more. If you're coming from Metro Manila, smile some more. Guys, kung nakita niyo yung logo ng Smile, look at this. The logo of Smile is what you call smiley. Tama po ba? Yung smile niya, medyo letter U. Ayan, medyo letter U. Hindi po siya sardonico. Ano yung tamang smile? Kailangan ganito. Ayan, medyo letter yung ganyan. Yung iba kasi kung smile, sardonicus. Ano yung sardonicus ganito? Parang smile rapist. You don't only pull your muscles sidewards, but you also pull your muscles upwards. Okay? Again, smile. Ayaw talaga eh. Yung iba pilit eh. Pilit ngumiti. Guys, you need to smile when you're doing our business. Why? Ask me why. Do you know that one of the reasons why a baby is so cute, no matter what race he or she would come from, is because, according to studies, ang baby, kay negro yan, kay African yan, kay puti yan, kay Malay race yan, like the Filipinos, maraming smiles ang nakapaligid sa kanya. Uy, ang kit-kit ng baby, oh. Ang kit-kit naman ito, taba-ching-ching. And when you do that, all of these smiles gives a positive vibe and impact to that baby, making that baby smile back to us. Bibihira yung pag ngumiti ka sa baby, hindi siya ngingiti. At times, iiyak, pero after some time, ngingiti rin. Tama o tama? At habang tayo'y tumatanda, as we grow old, nababawasan yung smile sa environment, kaya ganyan ang itsura mo ngayon. Kaya tignan mo yung katabi mo. Kapag hindi maganda itsura niya, ibig sabihin kakaunti yung ngumingiti sa kanya. Kapag maganda ang itsura niya, maraming ngumingiti sa kanya. Kapag fresh ang itsura niya, naku po, 24/7 ang ngumingiti dyan. Tanyo yung mga kulang sa smile. Tanyo yung mga kulang sa smile. Yung mga inaalat. Yung mga kulang sa smile. Sabi ng iba, why do you look so young as compared to your age? Because a lot of people are smiling at you. A lot of people are giving positive impacts, positive vibes towards you. They smile at you. Kaya nga ang greeting natin, good morning. Bihira yung good morning. Usually when you say good morning, when you greet someone, good morning, you smile. Tama o tama? Kaya nga ang batian natin, good morning. O imagine mo kung ang batian natin, condolence. Condolence power. Condolence payaman. Hirap, di ba? Ang hirap bitbitin eh. Pero pag good morning, kaya kasama yung ngiti, it connotes something positive. That's why you smile. And when you smile, you create a positive vibe, even to your prospects. When you talk to your prospects, whether kilala mo to o hindi, prospect ng prospect mo, when you smile, it gives something to the prospect. It gives something positive. Kaya bibihira yung pag ngumiti ka, hi, my name is Ed. Bibihira yung, I'm June. Usually, ngingiti din yan. Okay? When you approach somebody and you smile, he or she would smile back normally. Everybody say normally. Pag hindi ngumiti, pabalik yon, hindi normal yon. O, sample natin, sample. Sige, tingnan mo yun. O, sample na natin ha. Okay? Look, tap the person beside you. Kunwari, magpapakilala ka, hi, my name is John. O, hi, my name is June. Ngingiti ka. Tignan mo reaction niya. Okay, on the count of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yung iba wala pa, nakangiti na eh. Guys, yung iba na-excite naman masyado. Smile lang. Guys, listen to this. When you smile genuinely. Ang ibig sabihin nun, wag yung smile, 1.5 to 1.5. 3 palo to 1.5. Hi. Na-imagine mo na encashment. Wag naman ganon. When you greet somebody and when you smile, you think, I'm gonna help this guy achieve his dream. When you shake the hands of your prospects, you smile and introduce yourself, you think and you imagine, I'm gonna help this girl raise her daughter. I'm gonna help this man be a real family man by spending more time with his family. I'm gonna help this guy buy into his dreams. Yun dapat yung iniisip mo para sa kanya. Hindi yung para sa'yo 3 palo, unilevel star step. Hindi yung para sa kanya, naku pang GE ko to 100% profit sharing. Kaya yung ngiti mo hanggang tenga. Di ba? Nakauwi na sa bahay yung prospect, tumatawag ka pa, kamusta ka na? Masaya ka ba? Bakit? Pang profit sharing eh. Pang US trip, wag ganun. If ever you're gonna call that prospect, greet him and smile at him, do it genuinely. Alam mo yung nakaka-receive ka ng tawag sa mga OFW, yung pagkausap kanila, kahit sa telepono alam mo yung nararamdaman mong masaya sila at nakangiti sila. Okay? Whenever you call somebody, whenever you call your leaders, your downlines, your prospect, hi, kamusta ka na? When are you gonna start doing the business? Kailan mo ba gustong magsimulang yumaman? Alam mo yung nararamdaman niya on the other end of the line that you're happy giving a follow-up on him or on her. That you're happy and you're excited and you're smiling at the end of the line. On the other line. Iba yung pakiramdam nung ganun. That's why I encourage you to do everything in our network business with a smile. Whether you're doing an NDO, whether you're doing an ASAP, an OPP, a product demo, a follow-through, a team building, always do it smiling. What is smile for me? Next slide. S. S stands for study and serve. Seek to learn. Seek more information. Seek how you would learn the skills. That's why we have AIM Academy. Okay? We're bringing the best resource speakers so that you'll be knowledgeable. You'll have more information. You have more knowledge. Okay? So that whenever you study these topics, whenever you study this industry, just like any professional, in medicine, we have this thing called continuing medical education, CME. Okay? Whatever your profession may be, you're an engineer, you're an architect, you're a dentist, you're a lawyer, you're a teacher, may CME. Na kinakailangan, every now and then, a-attend ka dyan. May mga units yan to maintain your license. Pag hindi mo na-maintain yung mga units na yan sa CME, pwedeng i-revoke yung license mo ng PRC. Sasabihin nila, hindi ka na-updated. Yung alam mo, 30 years ago pa. Kumbaga sa dentist, I know there are some dentists on the house, pagka nagpasta ka, ang ginagamit yung mercury pa, yung kulay silver. Luma na yan. Ang ginagamit ngayon, hindi na ganun. Okay, ina-update. So you need those units to maintain your profession. What more with our industry? You need to learn every now and then, so you should seek to study so you could serve. That's the key word here. When you study, when you learn those skills, you serve your group. Because for me to succeed, you need to do this S of the smile. You need to study hard, learn those skills, learn those tactics, learn those strategies, and serve them to your group. Because the only way for you to grow your organization is to seek knowledge. Pag walang magtuturo sa'yo, wala kang ipapasa pababa. Pag wala kang ipapasa pababa, wala ring production. Tama o tama? Parang computer. Garbage in, garbage out. So if you have good information coming in, you have good information that you can flourish down to your organization. And soon it will start to grow. M. M means be a mentor. Everybody say a mentor. Tignan mo yung katabi mo, mukha bang mentor? You might be saying, Doc, 2 weeks pa lang ako sa business, how can I become a mentor? Doc, 10,000 pesos per month pa lang ang income ko. how can I become a mentor? Doc, wala pa akong kotse. How can I become a mentor? Doc, konti pa lang ang kaalaman ko sa direct selling, sa network marketing. Doc, part-timer lang ako. I'm doing the business after office hours. How can I be a good mentor? Guys, mentor is just a word. It's just a title. It's just a position. It's just a designation. What more important is, how do you want to grow your business? How do you want to achieve your dreams? Have you ever wondered, bakit yung iba, ang tawag sa kanila, sales consultant? Ang iba ang tawag sa kanila, brand ambassador. Hindi naman mukhang ambassador. Di ba lalo na ngayon, pag nagpunta ka sa mga bars, may mga alcoholic drinks, may mga babae ang tawag, brand ambassadors. Yung nagbebenta ng properties, real estate properties, mga condominiums, mga pre-selling. Okay, anong tawag sa kanila? Sales consultant. Pag sinabing consultant, parang napakataas nun eh. In the medical field, pag sinabing consultant, marami kang specialization na natapos. Natapos ka ng medicine, nag-specialize ka, nag-subspecialty ka pa, ang tawag sa'yo, consultant. Tapos yung nagbebenta ng property, ang tawag sales, consultant din. Pag tinanong mo, may nabenta ka na ba? Wala pa. Paano ka naging sales consultant? Wala ka pang nabenta. Because being a consultant is just like being a mentor. It's just a title. So what's my point? Each and every one of you can become a mentor. For some other people, para sa mga downlines mong bago, pag sinabing mentor, wow, mentor. Wow, ito yung magsasabi sa akin ng mga tamang salita. Ito yung mag-guide sa akin for me to be successful. Di ba ganyan ng mentor? Okay. So you position yourself as a mentor. Kahit isa pa lang ang downline mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, downline, partner, I'm your mentor. Kahit part-timer ka lang, kausapin mo yung prospect mo pag sumali, I'm your mentor. Kahit hindi ka pa masyadong kumikita, sasabihin mo, you take up to that position. Angkinin mo yung level na yan. Sabihin mo dun sa grupo mo, I'm your mentor. Kahit wala ka pang resulta. Am I clear? Because all of the successful mentors, they started with nothing. Lahat nagsisimula sa wala. When they start believing in themselves, diyan nagsisimula yung mga miracles in business. When you start believing in yourself, mas maraming sumasali. When you start believing in yourself, mas lalong lumalaki yung grupo. Mas lalo ka nagkakatseke. So if you start calling yourself as a mentor, then miracles will happen. Because you would believe in yourself. Kaya dapat sa calling card mo, bukod sa nakalagay doon, AIM Global Distributor, lagay mo, sales mentor, business mentor. Para pag tinatanong ka, ano ba ginagawa mo ngayon? I'm a business mentor. Wow, galing mo ah. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Di ko alam eh. Pero mentor ako. The mere fact that you take up that position is a leap of faith. Tumalong ka na ng napakalayo, inangkin mo na, sooner or later, I will be there. But right now, you can call me a mentor. Sooner or later, I will buy that car. But right now, call me a mentor. Sooner or later, I will become a millionaire. But right now, just call me a mentor. Our starting point is being a mentor. Kahit wala ka pang downlines, you can become a mentor. Because if you seek to study, to learn, you're mentoring yourself already. Pag nagkaroon ka ng downline, may papasa ka ng kaalaman. You're mentoring them. Just admit to yourself that you can be a mentor. You take up that position and you call yourself a mentor. Pakilala mo yung sarili mo sa downline mo. Huwag ka mahiya. Hindi pa ako kumikita. Ikaw, wala ka pang kotse, mentor kita. Oo. Ang pagiging mentor doesn't mean that you have results already. ang being mentor, the position, the rank of being mentor, kinakailangan may konti ka lang alam na ipapasa. Mentor ka na. And with the help of the company, with the help of AIM Academy, with the help of your uplines, you can easily become a mentor. So wag niyo masyadong tingalain at pahalagahan yung salitang mentor. Because each and every one of you is a potential great mentor. I stands for, next, I stands for initiate, start, induce, induct. Okay? What does it mean? You need to start this right away. You don't need to think big. You don't need to think big right away. Baka sabihin mo, hindi, tsaka na ako hahataw ng todo-todo, tsaka na ako magpo-full time, tsaka na ako magpapatawag ng mentor, pag tamang 50,000 per month na yung check ko. No! You initiate right away. If you want to succeed, you start right away. There's an element of speed. Okay? Wag mong pangunahan yung destiny mo by saying, tsaka na pag nag-100,000 per month, tsaka na ako magpo-full time. Tsaka na pag nakabili ako ng second hand na kotse, tsaka ako papatawag ng mentor. Tsaka na pag lumaki-laki ng grupo ko. No. Start it right away. Initiate. Initiate this. Okay? Initiate this amongst your group. Sabihan mo na, uy, mentor mo ako, mentor mo ako. Okay? Tuwing pupunta ka sa office, text mo ako. Pag nandito ako, tuturuan kita. Ano tuturo mo sa akin? Basta. Nakasubscribe ako sa AIM Academy. Kung ano yung nabasa ko rin, babasahin ko rin sa'yo. Kung ano yung napanood ko rin, ibabagsak ko rin sa'yo. Okay? AIM Academy will help you initiate. AIM Academy will help you be a good mentor. AIM Academy will give you the knowledge, the skills that you need to smile, to succeed through smile. So initiate right away. Don't delay the process. Don't delay the success. Induce it right away. Initiate it right away. In the business world, they usually say, pag may naisip kang idea, how to succeed, how to become a multi-millionaire, someone, somewhere on the other parts of the world, may nakaisip din yan. Sabay kayong nakaisip. The only question is, who will initiate it first? Because probably for some other people, they will say, naku, hindi ko yata kaya to, kulang yata ako sa puhunan, hindi ko yata magagawa to, makapalamukha ko. Magugulat ka na lang, 3, 4, 5 months from today, yung idea ang naisip mo, napapanood mo na sa TV, nababasa mo na sa dyaryo, naririnig mo sa radyo, may gumawa na pala. Why? Because you need to initiate right away. Calling yourself a mentor, learning all of these things, being a mentor, developing your group, you need to start it right away. You paid for this event. The fact that you paid for this event, you already initiated it. Meaning your success is already starting. Do you believe that? Yes. Your success is already starting. You pay the dues, you're learning, call yourself a mentor, you're starting it right away. L, you lead. You lead your group. May nakasabay ako sa elevator ng isang araw. Sabi niya, Dok, kamusta? Buti nakasabay ko sa elevator. Ang saya-saya ko. Pa-selfie. Talagal naman no? Pag hindi nag-selfie, hindi Pinoy Sabi ko, nakalimutan ko kaninong grupo siya Sabi ko, anong pangalan ng grupo mo? Yun na lagi ko kasing tanong Lagi ko tinatanong, sino upline mo? Anong pangalan ng grupo mo? Sabi ako, Dok, pangalan ng grupo ko, Team 1. Ba, ang ganda. Team 1. Ilan na kayo sa grupo mo? Ako pa lang. Kaya pala Team 1. Sipin nyo, isa pa lang siya, may pangalan na yung grupo niya. Yung iba daan-daan na libo-libo na wala bang pangalan yung grupo. Tama o tama? Sipin mo, ganun kataas. Ganun kataas yung paghahanda niya sa future niya, mag-isa pa lang siya. In fact, kakasaling niya pa lang daw a few months ago Pero may pangalan na yung grupo niya, Team 1. Know what? After a few days, nakasalubong ko ulit sa elevator. Sabi ko, kamusta? Ikaw si Team 1, di ba? Yes, Doc, thank you, naalala niyo ako. Picture, selfie, ulit selfie. Sabi ko, ano na pangalan ng grupo mo? Team 38. Sabi ko, bakit? 38 na kami, Doc. Sabi ko, wow. Can you see the power of names, the power of leading, the power of calling your group, the power of leading your group strategically, professionally? Kasi pwede naman walang pangalan eh. O, tara, grupo tayo ha. Basta mag-record ka sa kaliwa, record ka sa kachume, check ka na, okay na yung power. Atan ka ng NDO, okay. Team building tayo, okay. Banding tayo, okay. Ang pangalan ng grupo, tsaka na yung grupo, lalago naman tayo eh. It can be done that way. Or you can meet your group, guys. 2 pa lang tayo ngayon. Pero soon, lalago tayo. Ayoko mag-isip ng pangalan pag malaki na tayo. Gusto ko ngayon pa lang, iniisip na natin yung pangalan natin. Ano pangalan natin? Team 1. Sino kausap niya? Salamin. Lalago tayo. You know what? He sold that idea to himself. He sold it so well, he believed in himself so much. He was able to sell that idea to his group. Now, Team 38 na sila. Who knows? Few months from now, a few years from now, Team 3,000 na sila. And it can happen. Simply because if you lead your group properly, you develop a huge group. I don't care if they're part-timers or full-timers. I don't care if they're young or old, as long as you lead your group. Because that is important. Diniscuss ni Mr. Excitement earlier how to become a good upline. What's the attitude of a good upline? You treasure that. You do that. Huwag ka maging Buddha. Huwag kang palaangal. Diba? You serve. Kaya nga study and serve. That's the S. You serve your group with the learnings, with the knowledge that you encounter. You lead them properly. You mentor them properly. Maraming mga business mentors around the world, when they do their thing, hindi nga nagpapabayad. Because their goal is to empower you. Their goal is to make you rich. Regardless kung kumita sila o hindi, masaya na sila. Because they're leading the industry. It's one way for them to give back to the society. One way for them to give back to the market. They've been paid so much. AIM Academy is one way for us to serve you. Kasi hindi naman 24/7 kasama namin kayo eh. Hindi naman 24/7 mabibit-bit nyo yung training team sa Dagupan, sa Baguio, sa Bulacan, sa Batangas, sa Cavite. May oras din yung mga yan, may pamilya din yung mga yan. Tama o tama? Not all the time, you can bring us and let us talk to your prospects, to your groups, worldwide. But with this AIM Academy, we're leading you into having an access to this online facility 24/7. Nakaka-leverage tayo dyan. Lead and leverage. Okay? Sa Facebook natin, whenever there's something good there, you like it. You share it, and then you comment. Basta yung comment, positive ha? You like, you share, you comment. Why? Let's make it a buzz in the Facebook world. Because when you make it a buzz in the Facebook world, soon, they'll be saying, ano ba yung AIM Global na yan? Ba't yan ang trending? Papatayo raw ng building. Kalimutan lang siguro i-mention kanina. Guys, sabay po yun. Yung 23-story building, tsaka yung 4,000 square meter na beverage manufacturing facility, sabay gagawin. Siyempre, yung manufacturing facility, mas maunang matatapos yan. 12, 15 months tapos na yan. Whereas yung sa building, it's gonna take 24 months, 20 to 24 months. So, just in time for our 10th year anniversary. For our 10th year anniversary, may bagong bahay na tayo. Are you excited? Lead your group. Lead your group. Leverage Use leverage. How? With this online facility. How? With your uplines. With the facility na meron ng company. You leverage through that. Okay? Hindi kinakailangan gising ka 24/7 to do the business. May AIM Academy to do it for you. Tama o tama? E stands for empower. When you empower other people, lahat ng natutunan mo, all of the skills that you have learned, now that you become a mentor, now that you started, initiated right away, and you're leading your group, in doing so, you're empowering them. And when you empower them, they're gonna be happy. They're gonna receive their checks on a regular basis. Dadami sila sa grupo nila. Kikita sila. Tama o tama? Pag sila kumita, masaya sila o hindi? Ikaw, masaya o hindi masaya? Most importantly, when you do the smile, when you do the success through smile, who do you think should smile? Who do you think should smile? Lastly, why? Who do you think should smile? You. You should smile. You should smile. You should smile. And if you smile, you do this, you learn the skills, you study, you serve them, you become a mentor, you started it right away, you initiate it, you lead your group into empowering each and every skills that they need. True enough to its words, you will smile. You will receive the blessings from God. Uy, dami ng grupo mo. Daming reorders. Uy, na-hit mo yung Hong Kong. Uy, nagkaroon ka ng grupo sa Nigeria. Uy, nagkaroon ka ng grupo sa Pakistan, sa Dubai, sa Canada, wherever. Truly, you will smile. Because you did your job of learning the skills. Starting it right away. Not waiting, not delaying until you receive a big check. No. Started it right away. You initiated, you induced it right away. You become a mentor, you led your group, pinangalanan mo yung grupo mo, dumami sila because you empower them, you yourself would smile. Lastly, for this to be effective, for this to be long-lasting, kaya yung iba nagugulat bakit yung iba kumita ng malaki, one time lang hindi na naulit na matay yung grupo? Meron bang ganon? Bakit naman yung iba, ang cheque, ang laki every week. Taon na every week, ang laki pa rin ang cheque. If you want to succeed through smile, next, you need to duplicate smiling. Duplicate it. Show your group how to study and serve as well. Show your group, hey, it's okay to be called a mentor kahit bago ka lang. As long as you initiate it right away. You lead and leverage to your group. You empower them. You empower your group. You empower your group's group. You duplicate this. And if you duplicate this soon, babakasyon ka na, nag-smile pa sila. Habang nagbabakasyon ka, nakasmile ka din. Are you smiling? Because if you're gonna do this effectively and efficiently, there will come a time, again, you'll be buying your dreams smiling. They'll be buying their dreams, your group's dreams, smiling. You did this through smile. You empower them through smile. And true enough, your face would be smiling. On that note, thank you very much. You've been a wonderful audience. With AIM Academy, I smile. God bless each and every one of you.